Hi, my name is Jared Tao, and I'd like to welcome you to the Franken-Cam project on Indiegogo. What's the goal of this project? Our goal is to fund the creation of a modular do-it-yourself RAW video camera with 8 and 12-bit RAW recording to DNG files, 1080p resolution, and 60 frame per second recording. The camera will have a rolling shutter with a $4,000 goal, upgraded to a global shutter when we reach the $5,000 stretch goal. The first iteration of the camera will be tied to a laptop, since our main concentration will be on producing high-quality, gradable footage. A $6,000 stretch goal will enable us to combine the camera with an onboard mini computer for portability. Why build a DIY camera? Availability. This camera can be built now. There's no 9-month waiting period. There's no pre-ordering of an as-yet unreleased camera. Cost. The cost is comparable to or cheaper than current off-the-shelf solutions. Subsequent upgrades are cheaper. Swapping a camera head only and not the capture device or software or lenses saves a lot of money. A wide variety of lenses are available to put fast, wide-angle lenses within reach for reasonable prices. Constant aperture 1.2 zooms for less than $400. Why build a DIY camera? Quality. There's no codec mud. Since the camera shoots RAW, high bit rate, high frame rate, there's more freedom in retiming or grading in post. Modularity. As sensors improve, simply swap the camera head to capitalize on quality and performance gains, such as low light, resolution, and frame rate improvements. Durability. Machine vision cameras are designed to run continuously, 24 hours a day for years on end. This camera will likely outlast your photography career. Other key advantages. Capture application isn't tied to a specific camera. It's robust since it's designed for industrial applications. It's extensible. It's got multi-camera support, audio captures available, and the capture platform can double as a grading or editing workstation. You can use a laptop or a mini PC for this. There's a wide range of lenses supported. Canon EOS, Nikon, FD, F, Minolta, Olympus, C, CS, B4, T, PL, and M42 are just a few of the legacy lenses that are supported. Grading. There's a lot of talk about grading. What is it? Grading is simply the process of manipulating the color in an image to give it a desired atmosphere or mood. The image in a RAW camera has more information, which translates to more freedom to achieve the emotional impact you envision. Our grading tutorial will ensure that you're able to use your footage in Final Cut Pro, Premiere, or DaVinci Resolve. How exactly will the money be spent? We've been in ongoing talks with machine vision camera manufacturers for over a year, and we've narrowed the search for a proper sensor down to 3 choices. We'll be buying the sensors in order to prove their viability as the backbone of a do-it-yourself modular RAW camera solution. We'll be investing in a miniaturized capture system in order to provide the lowest cost and highest mobility. Options such as a 4-inch by 4-inch Intel embedded PC are going to be utilized. We will be building an extensive database of legacy lenses, including real-world performance and image samples. We'll also be procuring the necessary hardware to rig this camera as a production tool. What's in it for you? Well, there's some rewards, such as postcards printed from images captured from the sensor of the Franken-Cam, t-shirts, show your support of the project. But the main reward is an ebook construction guide complete with listings of in-stock vendors so that you can order the parts on day one. There is also going to be a grading tutorial for Final Cut, Premiere, and DaVinci to ensure that your footage will look its best. And a stock footage collection captured with the Franken-Cam rounds out the offerings. Stretch goals. For $5,000, we'll be able to upgrade the small rolling shutter sensor to a much higher quality 2/3 inch global shutter sensor. It will be a $500 increase in the end user price, but there will be a huge improvement in low light response. For $6,000, we're going to be able to fabricate a miniature embedded PC and combine this into a portable form factor. And for $7,000, we'll be able to design an anamorphic setup. How are we going to proceed? On May 1st, the campaign will end, and we'll release the names of the sensors being vetted as final candidates, and have them overnight shipped to us to begin releasing test footage as soon as 2 weeks later on May 15th. June 1st, the final sensor selection will be made and released to the backers after judging on basis of image quality, cost, low light, noise, and motion artifacting. July 1st, the final list of approved parts and materials will be selected, and the ebook will be delivered by the end of July. Postcards and t-shirts will ship then. On August 31st, the grading tutorial DVD will be released, and on September 30th, the stock footage collection will be released, ending the program. What happens next? What happens next is up to you. This campaign will only be successful with people like you, people who think there should be a little more freedom when it comes to choosing a camera, people who refuse to settle for second-rate quality to tell their stories, while inferior storytelling is given the full blessing of the establishment media. It's only going to happen if people like you push this campaign out to every place it would gain notice. Together we can do it. Thank you for your time and your interest.